As we step into 2025, the landscape of wealth creation has evolved dramatically. Gone are the days when traditional investment strategies like stocks, bonds, and real estate were the only ways to build wealth. Today, the wealthiest individuals in the world are utilizing innovative, forward-thinking approaches to maximize their earnings. From leveraging new technologies to entering emerging markets, the secrets to their financial success are more diverse and dynamic than ever before. In this video, we're going to break down the strategies used by the world's wealthiest people to earn and grow their money in 2025. The shift from traditional investments to alternative assets. For decades, the path to financial success for many wealthy individuals was clear. Invest in stocks, buy real estate, and wait for the returns to roll in. But in 2025, things have changed. Wealthy people are now turning their attention to alternative assets. Those non-traditional investments that aren't tied to the stock market or traditional financial institutions. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. One of the most significant shifts in wealth creation has been the rise of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. While cryptocurrency was once seen as speculative and risky, it has now entered the mainstream. Billionaires like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban were early adopters, and they're not alone. In 2025, even the ultra-wealthy are diversifying their portfolios by adding digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. These digital currencies offer unparalleled growth potential, and with blockchain technology continuously evolving, many believe that the future of finance lies in decentralized finance, DeFi. In addition to direct investments in cryptocurrencies, many wealthy individuals are also investing in blockchain-based startups. These startups are building new decentralized systems for everything from banking to supply chain management, and they represent the future of digital transactions. As the technology matures, the wealthiest individuals are positioning themselves at the forefront of the next financial revolution. Non-fungible tokens. NFTs have gone from a niche trend to a billion-dollar industry. In 2025, the wealthy are using NFTs not just for art and collectibles, but as an alternative investment vehicle. These tokens, which represent ownership of digital or physical assets, allow wealthy individuals to purchase high-value, rare items with blockchain-backed authenticity. This includes virtual real estate, luxury digital fashion, and exclusive experiences. Celebrities, influencers, and entrepreneurs are jumping on the NFT bandwagon, knowing that early investments in these assets could yield astronomical returns in the future. Real estate tech and virtual real estate. While real estate has always been a safe bet for the wealthy, in 2025, the wealthy are using technology to supercharge their returns. Virtual real estate, particularly in the metaverse, has become a hot commodity. Virtual platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox have allowed investors to buy, sell, and develop properties in fully immersive digital worlds. These virtual estates are being purchased by large tech companies, celebrities, and hedge funds, with the belief that the metaverse will become a billion-dollar industry in the years to come. On the physical side, wealthy people are investing in real estate tech. Smart homes, sustainable buildings, and real estate investment platforms powered by artificial intelligence have made it easier to acquire and manage property at scale. Wealthy individuals are leveraging these technologies to streamline their investments, boost their property values, and minimize management headaches. They're also capitalizing on the growth of short-term rental platforms like Airbnb, generating passive income by renting out vacation properties and luxury homes, embracing the power of artificial intelligence and automation. The wealthy have always been early adopters of new technologies, and in 2025, artificial intelligence is at the forefront of their money-making strategies. AI isn't just transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. It's becoming an integral part of wealth creation itself. AI and investment strategies. Many wealthy individuals are now using AI-powered tools to optimize their investment strategies. Machine learning algorithms are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, making predictions, and executing trades at lightning speed. These tools are revolutionizing the stock market, forex trading, and even venture capital investments. Wealthy investors who once relied on intuition and market trends are now leveraging AI to maximize returns on their investments. AI-driven investment platforms are democratizing access to advanced trading strategies. Hedge funds and institutional investors are no longer the only ones who can benefit from AI. Retail investors with access to AI-powered tools can now compete with some of the wealthiest individuals in the world. The key is to use AI to make data-driven decisions and manage risk effectively, all while capitalizing on real-time opportunities. AI for business automation. For entrepreneurs and business owners, AI is playing a crucial role in automating operations and increasing profits. From customer service bots to automated supply chain management, AI is helping businesses reduce overhead costs, improve efficiency, and scale quickly. The wealthiest individuals have capitalized on these technologies, investing in AI startups that develop innovative tools to automate everything from inventory management to personalized marketing. By implementing AI-powered automation, wealthy entrepreneurs are able to streamline operations, reduce labor costs, and increase their bottom lines. This allows them to reinvest their profits into new ventures, further growing their wealth. Sustainability and green investments. As the world grapples with climate change and environmental concerns, wealthy individuals are looking towards sustainable investments as a way to not only generate returns, but also contribute to a better future. In 2025, green investing has become more than just a trend. It's a strategic move for the wealthy. Sustainable real estate and renewable energy. The wealthy are increasingly investing in sustainable real estate and renewable energy projects. Solar energy, wind power, and green buildings are not just environmentally friendly, they also offer lucrative returns. In many regions, governments are offering tax incentives and subsidies for investments in renewable energy, making it an even more attractive opportunity. Sustainable luxury real estate, such as eco-friendly resorts and net-zero homes, is another area of focus. Wealthy individuals are creating and investing in green buildings that minimize carbon footprints while providing an exceptional living experience. These properties often come with cutting-edge technology, advanced energy-efficient systems, and eco-friendly materials. Impact investing and ESG funds. In 2025, wealthy investors are focusing more on impact investing and environmental, social, and governance funds. These funds target companies that are not only profitable, but also make a positive impact on the environment and society. ESG investing allows wealthy individuals to align their financial goals with their values, all while benefiting from the growth of companies that prioritize sustainability. Companies with strong ESG practices have been shown to outperform their competitors over the long term, making them an attractive option for investors. As more people become concerned with the social and environmental impacts of their investments, the wealthy are finding opportunities in these markets, ensuring their portfolios are both profitable and ethical. The power of networking and exclusive opportunities. While technology, sustainability, and new investment vehicles are critical to building wealth in 2025, one of the most important factors for the ultra-wealthy is the power of networking. The wealthiest people in the world understand that success isn't just about what you know. It's also about who you know. Access to exclusive deals. Wealthy individuals often have access to exclusive investment opportunities that are not available to the general public. From private equity deals to venture capital investments in cutting-edge startups, these opportunities are reserved for those with the right connections. The key to earning money in 2025 is being in the right circles, building relationships with industry leaders, and gaining access to opportunities that others can only dream of. Mentorship and knowledge sharing. The wealthy understand the importance of mentorship and continuous learning. Many of the world's richest individuals seek out mentors who can provide valuable insights, advice, and strategies to help them grow their wealth. In return, They often mentor younger entrepreneurs and investors, ensuring that the cycle of success continues. In 2025, the wealthy are earning money in ways that are more diverse and innovative than ever before. Whether it's through cryptocurrency, AI, sustainable investments, or exclusive networking opportunities, they are capitalizing on emerging trends and new technologies to maximize their wealth. The key takeaway for anyone looking to build wealth in the coming years is to stay informed, be adaptable, and leverage the power of technology and new investment vehicles. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe to the Baruch Wealth for more valuable tips on how the wealthy are making their fortunes.